Creating new or proposed fence lines in the MyEnviro platform is completed in edit mode. Similar to adding any other farm features, please begin by selecting the green plus button at the top of the screen. There are two choices to add new fence lines. These are either a proposed or an existing fence line. Click the required feature and this will take you back to the farm map where you will start by clicking on the desired location and continue to click and draw the fence line to where it's needed. To complete the fence, double click and this will pop out a window where you'll be required to name the fence line. Following this, a new screen will appear where details such as description, type, approximate length, and asset details will be provided and can be added. If the fence line drawn is not correct, you are able to continue to save the fence lines and go back to edit the drawn line. Alternatively, while drawing the fence line, clicking Cancel at the bottom of the screen will delete and remove the drawn fence. To edit the saved fence, and once returned to the original screen, click the recently drawn fence and select and drag the orange dots to where needed and select Submit.